Okay, this would be the second interweave of the side button. So we go up following the tail under over 2, under 2, over 2, like that. Then we go down under 3, over 2 and under 2. So we did under 3, then over to under 2. Then we start going up over 3, under 2 and over 2. Like that. Then we go down, we're gonna split our first pair here. So we go under 3 and we will go over 3 and under 2. And over 2, over 3 and under 2, because we just split our first pair. Then we will go up over 3, under 3, and here we split a pair. So over 3, under 3, over 2. There, and then we go down, under 3, split a pair. And then we go down, over 3 and under 3. So that's the tail again. So now we go up, over 3, under 3, so we split a pair, and then under 3 and we split another pair. We're almost done. Now we'll go down under 3, split a pair, and then we go down again, over 3, split that pair, and under 3. And we're done. So there it is, over 3, under 3, side button. It's pretty.